Hey guys. Today we are discussing very important topic about the YouTube because many of my subscriber and many of my viewers ask me one question. They said, give us the tricks to increase our viewers because why our videos are not coming in suggestion, why the people who are not watching our videos. We are working hard, we are doing each and everything what you said, what we know. So today we are going to discuss this. So guys, today I am going to give you few tricks. What you will use it, you will see the difference in your videos. Every time when you watch any of the video, you see on the right hand side there are suggestion. For example, suppose you are watching my video. So on the right hand side, you will see my video, and after that some other video, then maybe my video again, then again you will find other videos. So how YouTube system works? Suppose you are watching my video and you spend time on my video, and after that you when you finish this video, you go to my video again. Maybe you like it. I'm not telling the other videos is not good. I am just giving you example. Maybe you like my video and you click on my other video. So once you click my other video, so what happened? The YouTube system see people are spending too much time on his channel. And there is something on his channel. So what YouTube do? The next time when you open your laptop or open your YouTube, so even you don't want to watch my video, in the suggestion box you will find my name. Yani my video, my box, suggestion box you will find on the right hand side, even you are not watching my video. Yani the other videos will be less and my videos will be more than others. Why? Because you spent too much time on my video last time. So like this, the YouTube system update the data. Yani this guy or this people are watching videos for Infotech Tutor. So next time when you open your browser from anywhere, on mobile or on laptop, you will find my videos in suggestion. So guys, now we come to the point, yani secret of this video. Guys, see, there are three things. Before I told you in my previous video, but again, now I am explaining you in other words. The first thumbnail, the second topic, the third voice or confidence. I tell you how. Become on thumbnail. When you make any of the video, so you see in the suggestion box there are too many videos. There are too many YouTubers and some YouTubers are on high level. So open their videos, see what is their thumbnail and try to make better thumbnail rather than this YouTuber, because the viewers, the subscriber attract from the thumbnail. If your thumbnail will be attractive, just make it, or try to make on the same level of thumbnail. If you don't know how to make the thumbnail, just go to YouTube and search. So your thumbnail will be strong, your video will run. The second point, whatever video you are making, whatever video, just search the videos on top 10 YouTubers. Or do one thing, take a copy or register and write their top 10 YouTuber. Okay, write their names. Then once you create the video, watch their video in the same topic and see what is their topic. So try to make the same topic. If you have the same video on the same topic, write down the same topic, or try to make more attractive topic rather than that one. This is number 2. Now number 3. See in top 10 YouTubers how they speak, how they are promoting. Maybe they are using some funny things. Maybe the other channels like cooking or uh, education, software. So see how they are speaking, how they are explaining, and try to create that confidence, that level in your videos. So the people will watch it. And as I told you before, if your video is not coming in the suggestion box, so your video should be strong, your content should be strong. And how your video can be strong? Your thumbnail, your topic, your way of explaining the things should be good. So once the people click on your video, so next time it will come in the suggestion box. Don't think one video only is coming in the suggestion box. The videos will come, but when somebody will watch, and how the people will watch, when you will follow this step. So okay guys, these were some tricks and techniques. I know you guys are working hard and you are making good videos, but try to improve more, because in any age we can learn. There is no age limit. Yani we stop now, we cannot learn, or we use YouTube. We have mobile in our hand. Just watch it, and once you sit to create the video, follow this step. Inshallah, you will earn more. Okay, guys. So till the next video, take care. Thank you.